So we have Kody. Kody is an oldie, little tiny Yorkie, and he hates everything. He's old. And we're gonna show why I choose different slicker brushes versus combs. So for tender skin pets or pets that really don't like friction against their body or the feeling of their hair being pulled, I do not use a comb because when you use the comb, it does pull the hair. Whereas if you try to use a slicker brush, it will brush gently through the hairs. And this feeling is going to feel much better for him than trying to tug through where it will pull the actual skin while I'm trying to go through the hair. And that feels much more uncomfortable, right, buddy? Which is why he's doing the turny moves. Come here, Bubba. Come here. We're gonna keep you still, okay? I love you. Good boy. And we're gonna hold his tail out, and then we're going to hold the hairs towards the base so it's nice and tight, and he can't feel the pulse. And he's got a little bit of like dusty fuzz in his tail, so it's a little bit more gunky. You okay, Bubba? Okay, okay.